Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw Mercedes-Benz G-Class Easy method. Begin by sketching a long rectangle for the body and a square for the cabin to capture boxy proportions. Place a center guideline and mark wheel centers with equal spacing. Keep lines light while adjusting ratios and check symmetry across the vertical axis. This foundation keeps the G-Class shape accurate before adding details like lights and grille work later. Next, refine the wheels and stance to give the G-Class its sturdy look while keeping proportions intact. Carefully draw wheel circles on the mark centers, then add slightly squared arches to match the vehicle's rugged profile. Adjust ride height by measuring from the body base to wheel centers so both sides read balanced. Lightly erase construction lines and ensure the vehicle sits level before moving to doors and window details. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making simple drawing tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and timers to your workspace and fits nicely on a sketch table, adding a fun soundtrack while you draw. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up if you like. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now add defining details that make the G-Class recognizable while keeping the drawing manageable for beginners. Lay in the flat roof, upright windshield, and boxy window frames using straight, confident strokes. Block the grille and round headlights, then indicate door seams and the spare wheel cover with simple shapes. Use light cross-contour lines and gentle hatching to imply panels and reflections, giving the sketch believable volume without overworking small features.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.